Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing the workspace and gathering tools: a flathead screwdriver, putty knife, gloves, and a ladder if the window is over 6 ft. Once done, open the sash and support the glass with one hand or a wedge so the screen can be freed safely. Pry any spline or retaining clips gently. This releases tension without tearing the mesh. Make sure to note which side was up and where the frame tabs rest. That orientation matters when you reinstall the screen. You now focus on extracting and inspecting the screen. Release the top or bottom retaining tabs and tilt the screen at the same angle you removed it. Once out, lay it flat and check the frame, spline, and mesh for bends, tears, or rust. These defects explain poor fit or drafts. Clean the frame with mild soap and water and replace the spline or patch the mesh where needed. Doing so ensures the screen seats evenly when you reinstall it and prevents future gaps. To reinstall, start by seating the screen into the lower track and then tilt the top into place, pressing evenly until the retaining clips or spline lock. Once set, operate the sash to confirm smooth movement and to ensure the screen does not bind. Make small adjustments or trim excess spline if necessary. If you still see gaps, air leaks, or rattling, check that the frame is square and the spline is tensioned uniformly. Bent frames or uneven splines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.